Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Rush for more reviews. You know, it's the Discover Boss Rush. We're here in Alpha Tree, South Avenue to be exact. We are taking a look at the Southdale Plaza. They're undergoing a renovation / expansion. If you're new to the channel, definitely subscribe. Subscribing is free. Trying to get to 3,000 subscribers in 3 months. So definitely subscribe if you're new, and to all the new subscribers, a big welcome as well. And definitely leave your comment, guys. Let me know what you think about this renovation / expansion. Like the video and share as well, and don't forget to turn on your bell notification icon so you know exactly when I upload a new video. So Southdale Plaza renovation / expansion, Halfway Tree. I think a lot of plazas in the last few months have been renovating and expanding to be able to cater to more tenants and even integrate a BPO, a call center space as well. So this plaza used to host the Manuel Boutique and other popular stores as well. So they're now vacant for the renovation. We also have the Lane Plaza next door. I'll do a separate video, a separate walk-in tour of the Lane Plaza. So welcome back to another video, guys. Definitely watch to the end and leave your thought, leave your comments, like as well. Is a bit high, so apology for the wind noise. So I think 876 Terrace, which is a restaurant, is still in operation there. It's a restaurant and bar, which was downstairs, 876 Terrace. Alright guys, remember to share your thoughts in terms of what you think about this renovation. So on this side is Central Avenue. We have Vision Plaza next door to Southdale as well. Then we have Constant Spring Road. So quite a few shops here. We have a betting shop. Welcome to Winnings, New Era Pharmacy, Shimmer, Dental, Dry Cleaning, Any Bet. Alright guys, see you on that next video and thanks for watching. So we have Lane over here and Southdale Hardware and Glass.